Okay guys, I got a 2013 Mazda 6. I'm going to show you how to replace or remove this airbag. So the first thing, on both of these sides there are some little covers. I already took them off, but just get a flathead screwdriver, pop them off, and then get an 8mm socket and remove. And then the other side as well. There. And we're just going to remove it like that. And you're going to remove this right here just by pushing down on it and pulling out. These pieces you're just going to pop off. Be sure not to break them, so be careful with them. And then this last piece right here, just pop it off with this tab right there. And that's how you do it. It's very easy.